Good morning. It's Theresa and Denise here at Citywide SuperSlow. We are here for the training tip of the week, which we talked about in our e-blast. And so we just want to share a couple tips that you can think about when you're coming in to do your workout. No demonstration today, but just things to think about. So the first part that I'm going to talk about is the real versus the assumed objective when you are coming in to do your rep and to do your workout. And so the assumed objective, you might think that we want you to push that heavy object with as much muster as you have with all your strength. And to an extent we do. But the real objective here at SuperSlow is for you to move that heavy weight in a smooth, safe, continuous way, breathing, keeping good form, and just, if it doesn't move, just believe that it is still moving because you are still creating really good work in your muscle. So just think about that. And
to add with the microphone?
Sure. Sure. Right here. This is the mic. Here.
So good at this.
That's the ears.
And I'm just going to expand on what Theresa said about moving that weight, whether you think you can or not. You might think we just want you to finish it no matter what, and that's going to mean breaking that form, maybe moving around, arching your back, thrashing your arms, just to move the weight, which is not the real objective. The real objective is to get to failure with good form. And if you're thrashing around, you're breaking the form. So how do we define failure? That's when you can no longer finish the rep. If you're doing a bicep curl, you can't finish it, usually through the positive, without breaking form. So you've hit the objective when you hit failure. And the last thing I'll add is that failure is when our secret sauce takes over. And that's that 10-second final hold, which isn't really a hold. It's you want to keep pushing against it or keep pulling through it, whether it moves or not. That's how we're going to add a little bit more intensity to the moment of true failure. That's called inroading. So that 10 seconds, you want to keep believing you got to move it, keep that pressure there, that intensity, and the body gets a signal, a stimulus to come back that much stronger.
Perfect. Very good. Okay, I have to say, yesterday I had somebody in for the first time and asked her to hold, to kind of inroad, and she was like, I have never done that before. So those of you that have been in here, you know what we're talking about, and if you haven't, it's something to experience because it doesn't happen other places that we know of. It's just like Denise said, it's that special sauce that creates that muscle growth. And lastly, I just want to tell everyone, it is that time of year. The holidays are here. They're coming faster than I can believe.
2 weeks.
And yes, we've got the gift certificate available. They're here. You can get it online. You can get it here. You can call, whatever you like. It's a really good offer for an introductory session and 3 personal training sessions. A great value at $99. So give the gift of fitness or for somebody that you know that would benefit from it.
Would love it.
Yeah.
Who wouldn't love it?
What fun, right? We're having more fun here than we've ever had, and we're keeping safe, as you can see. The gym has plenty of times when people are not here. So if you need to come in when it's empty, we do have availability, and we understand that need that you might have. So Absolutely. If that's the case, let us know. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.